has standard deviation. So how we write? We write this way. X is a random variable which follows a normal distribution with standard deviation 200 and mean as 800. So that means mean is 800 and sigma is 200. Or we can write, sorry, I should have written n. So x follows a normal distribution with mean 800, and so mean we will denote mean of normal distribution as mu. So mu equals to 800 and sigma equals to 200. That is given. Find the area under the normal variate uh, in each of the following case. Case A. So what is case A or case 1? For x equals to 600. আবার বলছি x equals to 600. Let me ask you in a different manner. Let me ask you, if I ask you what is the probability x greater than 600? So how to use the normal distribution table and normal distribution standard normal table? So let's try to do that. Try to understand. Okay? So for that we'll write this way. Probability x greater than 600 is equivalent to probability z greater than, actually how we have defined z we have defined as z equals to x minus mu by sigma. We have defined, that is the transformation that we do. So this is the from a normal distribution, how can we convert to a standard normal distribution? By changing the origin and scale, that we have discussed in the previous class. So here x equals to, the value of x is 600, the value of mu how much is 800 na?
Yes, sir, 800.
800.
Yes, sir.
And sigma is 200. So that means what the value of z? The value of z we get as minus
-1.
minus 1. So z as greater than z is equal probability z greater than -1. So you have to count. So what we get is z. That means what is the probability that you have to find out? Probability z is greater than -1. So that means if I draw the curve, the curve will look like this. So this is z equals to -1. তাই তো? Z equals to -1 কারণ এইটা হচ্ছে z equals to 0, z equals to -1. So greater than z equals to -1 means this is your required probability. This is the required probability. Now look at the graph, look at the table that I have provided earlier. You can see the table. In the table, you see, can you find out the probability of z? Z corresponding to 1. What is given? In the table, it is given. Can somebody tell me? In the table, it is given from z equals to 0 to z equals to 1. That area is given. So how
0 point
হ্যাঁ বলো তো কত আছে?
3413
হ্যাঁ 1 পয়েন্ট কত?
0.3413.
Very good. So this area is given as 0.3413, right? Now who can tell me what will be the required area? How can we find out this? Mind that এই এরিয়াটা দেওয়া আছে, this area is given as 0.3413. So what will be our required area? Who can tell me? Anybody trying? See, I'm trying to help you. So this area, this shaded area, what I'm blackening, is same as this area. Is it okay? Because it is symmetric. Z equals to 0 to z equals to 1 is same as z equals to 0 to z equals to -1. So that means this area is 0.3413. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
what about this area? This area is 0.5. I already said. So that means our required area is 0.5 plus 0.3413. So that means it is how much? 0.8413. So if I ask you what is the probability z greater than -1, that was the requirement. So this is equals to probability this is equals to point, how much we have got?
The 38318.
0.83 8413, isn't it? What we have got is 8413, because in the table it is given that this area is 0.3413. So if this area is 0.3413, this area will also be 0.3413, because it is symmetric. This area is also 0.3413, and but our objective is to find out this whole area, this whole part. So half this side is 0.5, then we'll add this 0.3413. So that gives you 0.8413. So what is the probability z less than -1? It will be 1 minus
Sir,
0.13. Whatever with the calculation. So that means it is 87.
Sir, 0.1587.
0.1587. Now, if I ask you what is probability mod z less than 1, who can tell me what will be this value?
Sir, same.
Same
Less than. Oh, sorry, it is less than.
what will be probability mod z less than 1? Who can tell me using that same idea? Using that
Sir,
same idea.
0.07935.
কি করে? এটা হচ্ছে
Sir, we
0.3413 into 2, তাই না? mod z
হ্যাঁ
less than 1 মানে হচ্ছে -1 থেকে +1. This is the required area, and it is already given this is 0.3413, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ
3413. So এই এরিয়াটার সঙ্গে এই area, because they are same, so will be just multiplied by 2. Will be multiplied by 2. That is 0.6826, তাই তো হয়? You multiply that by 2. Are you following?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Now what will be, if I
Yes,
ask
sir.
you, what will be probability mod z greater than 1 will be equals to 1 minus probability mod z less than 1, which is equals to 1 minus 0.68 26, which is equals to, যখনই তোমাকে কিছু বের করতে দেবে, whenever they will be asking you to find out, try to find out the try to draw the required area. See, if I write this, then that means if I try to draw that required area. So this is your probability. So mod z greater than 1 মানে this is z equals to 1, this is z equals to -1. mod z greater than 1 মানে এই এরিয়াটা as well as এই এরিয়াটা, so these two together, so which gives you 1 minus probability mod z less than 1, and mod z less than 1 একটু আগে আমরা বের করেছি কত? 1 minus point কত? 6826, isn't it? 6826. So that gives you how much?
0.3174.
0.3174. অথবা or you can use আগে বের করেছিলাম 0.15 কি যেন একটা বের করেছিলাম না, ওটাকে you can multiply this area we have already found out, so you can multiply that by 2 to find out. So anyway you can find out whatever value is given, you can find out with that probability table. In the same example, if you are trying to find out probability x lying between 700 and 1000, if I tell you to find out the probability x lying between 700 and 1000 where x follows a normal distribution with mu equals to 800 and sigma equals to কত ছিল 200 না? So if this is the case, how can you find out the probability? We will simply write, first we will try to convert from x to z. So we will write this way: probability x lying between 700 and 1000 is equivalent to probability z lying between these two values. Which are the two values? So calculate কি হবে 700 minus 800 by 200, তাই না? That is the definition. Always remember, for this kind of problem z is x minus mu by sigma. So 700 minus 800 by 200, and here it is 1000 minus 800 by 200. So what will be the value? That is equals to probability কি হবে বলো? Z is lying between minus 0.5, isn't it, to plus
1.
Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Okay, let's make it 1000 instead of 1000. Let's make it 1100. Let's make it 1120. Let's make it 1120. So it will be 1120. So 1120 minus 800 is 320. 320 by 200 is how much? 200 কেটে গেল
1.1.
Hi, 1.6 না?
Yes, sir.
1.6.
1.6.
1.1 কি করে? 1120
হ্যাঁ, স্যার, 1.6
320
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
320 by 200. So that gives you
1.6.
1.6. So that means probability x lying between 700 and 1120 is equivalent to probability z lying between কত minus 0.5 to 1.6. 1.6. এবারে আমরা required area ছবি আঁকবো. We'll try to draw the required area. So standard normal distribution, say this is z equals to minus 0.5 and say this is z equals to 1.6. So required area is in between, isn't it? So required area is this area. This is my required area. So from the table itself I can find this particular part. তাই তো? সেটা কত? Who can tell me what is this area? From the table, given table, what will be the ওই টেবিলে দেখে
Sir, 0.5.
দেখো আমি জানি
No, sir, 1.6.
1.6 কখনো এরিয়া হতে পারে না, প্রবাবিলিটি কখনো 1.6 হতে পারে না. So it is, who can tell me this particular area from the table? Look at the table, it's given.
0.1915.
No, 1.6. Where are you looking? In the table given, it is given as 0.4452. Can't you find in the table itself?
Yes, sir.
0.4452. This area is 0.4452. And how to find out this area? Who can tell me? How to find out this area? For this one, we will check that 0.5. 2.5. How much the value is? 0 to 0.5 is 1.
1915.
0.1915. 0.1915 is the right answer. 0 to 0.5 is same as 0 to minus 0.5. Z এর value 0 to 0.5 এ যা, Z এর value 0 to minus 0.5 এ, both the cases the area is same. This particular area is given, it can you obtain from the table as 0.1915. Hence, what will be the required area? কি করে পাবো? What is the required area? How to find out? How to find out? Quickly bolo. We have to key. How to find out this required area? Z is lying between minus 0.5 to Z is like to 1.6. So this particular area plus this particular area. So it just 0.1915 and 0.4452. So that will be your required area, required probability. How much is that? How much is that?
0.6367.
0.6367. So 0.6367 is the required probability. So as I've given, you have to find out the probability that X lies between 950 and 1280. That means X follows the normal distribution with mean 800 and standard deviation 200. So you have to calculate the two values of Z. So for 950, it comes as, it's plus, because 950 minus 800 is a positive value, so it comes as 0.75. And similarly for 1280, for X equals to 1280,
2.4.
X equals to 1280, Z comes as 2.4. So that means probability X lies between 900 and 1280 is equivalent to probability Z lies between 0.75
0.75.
and 2.4.
2.4.
So you agree up to this. Now
Yes, sir.
can you draw the, so let's draw. बार बार बोलची, it's always better to draw the figure and then find the probability, because that will help. So let's draw. So this is this line is কত? This is Z equals to
Z equals to 0.
0.
0.
So Z equals to 0.75 কোন দিকে হবে? To the right of this line. So this is Z equals to, তাই তো? 0.75, and this is say Z equals to 2.4. So what is the required area? Required probability is this, তাই না? Z lying between 0.75 and 2.4. So this is the required area. Now can you think now how to find out the Z equals to 0.75 probability to find out? In the table you can see in the row wise the values are given as 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and the column wise the values are given as 0.00, 0.01, 0.02. To find 0.75, you have to look at the row where there is 0.7, and for the column 0.05. So if you add these two, so it will become 0.7 plus 0.75, it will give you 0.75, and that corresponding value. So 0.7 row, you just carry on, that is, so 0.700 is 70 is 0.2580, 0.71 is 0.2611, 0.72 is 0.2642. This way you continue to till 0.75, where you can find it is 0.2734. So probability, so this area is how much? Acha. So probability Z lying between 0 and 0.75 is how much? 2734, isn't it? .2734, okay? If I ask you what is the probability of Z, that
Yes, sir.
probability Z lying between 0 and 0.58. So কিভাবে, how to check? See in that column wise x equals to 0.5, and then we'll move towards right where it is 0.08. So that gives you 0.2190, তাই না? 0.2190, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
0.2190.
sir.
If I ask you what is probability 0 less than z less than 1.236, 1.236 করা যাবে না, 1 point সেটাও করা যাবে। If I ask you what is 1.23, the value will be, who can tell me quickly? The value will be, from the table you can see, it is 0.
3.388. 39.
Yes, it is 0.3907, 3907, তার পরেরটা 1.23 বলেছি, it's 1.23. 0.388 is 1.22 and 1.23 is 0.3907. Get it? So that's how we have to check. Now if I ask you, that also can be done. If I ask you, ভালো করে শোনো, this is very important. If I ask you, if I if I ask you what is probability 0 less than z less than 1.455, that can also be found out, but it's a little a difficult way to find out. So how to find out that? That can also be found out in the table. So what we'll do, we'll find out what is the value of 1.45. How much is the value? 1.45, how much is the value? The value is given as
0.115.
1.45 is
265.
0.4265, na?
Sorry.
0.4265.
Yes.
4265. And
Yes, sir.
what is the value under 1.46? 1.46. The value is 4279. Isn't it?
79, yes.
4.4279. So 1.45 and 1.46, these two values are there. Your value lies in between them. তাই না? 1.45 and 1.46 এর মাঝখানে হচ্ছে 1.455. So what we do? You take the average of these two. Got it? What we do? We take the average of these two. So it will be 79. It will be 12 মানে 4271. 0.4271. 71 to not 72. It will be 72. 4272. Got it? Do you get it? Hello students,
Yes,
do
sir.
you get it?
Yes, sir. 52.
0. So we are trying to find out probability 0.75 between 0.75 and 2.4. And now we have drawn. We have already drawn. So this is your 0.75. This point is 0.75 and this point is 2.4. How much is given? So what is the value for 2.4? How much is what is given? So what is probability 0 less than z less than 2.4? How much is that? It is 0.4918.
0.4918.
0.4918, isn't it? So if you draw that, what will happen?
Yes, sir.
So this is the meaning, isn't it? This is 0.4918. And what is probability 0 to 75? 0.75?
0.2734. 0.2734.
So this area is 0.2734, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what is your required area? What is your required area?
Sir, 0.7652.
How? আগেরটা যোগ হয়েছিল মানে এটাও যোগ হবে, ইচ্ছা করেই দিয়েছি, ওটা বিয়োগ হবে। This will be subtracted. ওটা
আচ্ছা
দুটো
স্যার
সাইডে ছিল, they were in the opposite direction, now it is in the same direction. See, I have drawn it. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Your required area is this part, isn't it? This value you have got is 0.491. How much?
8.
4918. And this value you have got is this. তাহলে এই পার্টটা পেতে গেলে কি করতে হয়? যোগ করতে হবে না বিয়োগ করতে হবে? হ্যাঁ, এগুলো শেখাতে হবে নাকি? ডু ইউ নিড মি টু টেল দিস? আগেরটা যোগ হয়েছিল মানে এটাও যোগ হবে? আগেরটা মাইনাস ছিল, that was on the opposite side, that's why it was added. Same side or it will be subtracted. Simple.
Sir, then it will be 0.2184.
0.2184. The answer is 0.2184. The answer is 0.2184.